Hello! Today we will learn about the days of the week, the parts of the day and the greetings we use. There are 7 days in a week. Let's go through them. Are you ready to learn all about the days of the week? Put on your headphones, sit back, and let's dive into the days of the week together. Let's get started. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. From Monday to Friday, we have the weekdays, and Saturday and Sunday make up the weekend. Each day of the week has an abbreviation. Monday is Mon, Tuesday is Tu, Wednesday is Wed, Thursday is Thu, Friday is Fry, Saturday is Sat, Sunday is Sun. The day is divided into 4 parts: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Morning is from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. We say, "Good morning," to greet people. In the morning, we wake up, brush our teeth, and have breakfast. Good morning. Good morning. Afternoon is from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. to greet people. We say, "Good afternoon." In the afternoon, people often work, study, and have lunch. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Evening is from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. We greet people with good evening. It's time to relax, enjoy hobbies, or have dinner. Good evening. Good evening. Night is from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. We say, "Good night" when going to bed. It's time for rest and sleep. Good night. Good night. AM stands for ante meridiem, which means before midday, from midnight to noon. PM stands for post meridiem, which means after midday, from noon to midnight. Let's recap. There are 7 days in a week. We have work days and weekends. The day is divided into morning, afternoon, evening, and night, each with its own greeting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time.